Cultural variation, key study Van Eisendorm and Kroonberg, 1988. Procedure: conducted a meta-analysis of the findings from 32 studies of attachment behavior. Intercultural differences means differences between countries and cultures. Intracultural differences is the differences in the findings from studies conducted within the same culture. The findings were that the differences were small. Secure attachment was the most common in every country except Israel and Japan. They are classed as collectivist. Variation within cultures was 1.5 times greater than between cultures. The conclusion is secure attachment is the norm, most common form of attachment in all countries. Cultural similarities support the view that attachment is an innate and biological process. Cultural differences is something like in Japan, infants rarely experience separation from their mothers. Cultural similarities is an example that African tribes, their children were breastfed by different women, but usually slept with one mother at night. Despite this, at 6 months, they showed only one primary attachment caregiver figure. Conclusion is that studies suggest that despite the fact that there are cultural variations in infant care arrangements, strongest attachments are still formed with their mother. Also shows that there are differences in the patterns of attachment that can be related to difference in cultural attitudes and practices.